and we saw pretty much straight away a 25% increase in conversion and 100% year-on-year increase in new customers. I'm Janis Thomas, and I'm the Managing Director at Look Fabulous Forever. Early in 2023, we decided to replace the entire front end of our website, and that was because it was taking quite a long time to load. Our pages could take up to 10 seconds to load, and we never actually had any feedback from our customers saying, oh, we find your website slow. All the feedback was really positive, but one of our pillars of growth is to always provide an excellent experience. And our theory was that we have a very loyal customer base, that typically around 80% of our revenue comes from existing customers. And we thought they were probably more patient with us than a new customer was. So we spent about 7 months replacing the entire front of the end of the website, working through all of our functionality and making sure what was really essential. So we went live in September, and we saw pretty much straight away a 25% increase in conversion and 100% year-on-year increase in new customers. So we could see instantly the hypothesis that we had was true. And I think it was really helpful for us as a business that we have these, what we call our 5 pillars of growth, and that one around always striving for a better customer experience was the right thing to do, both from our customers' point of view, but then it ended up being true from a revenue perspective as well.